Fibularis. Fibularis is one of those structures that's been renamed. It used to be peroneus, and we've got Fibularis longus and we've got Fibularis brevis. And we talk about ankles or feet, but actually Fibularis is a structure that's going from the outside, the lateral edge of the tibia, the fibula rather, and it's going down all the way around the outside of the lateral malleolus, sort of tucking itself right underneath and held in place. And Fibularis brevis comes just onto the outside of the foot, but longus goes all the way across underneath the foot and attaches to the first metatarsal of the big toe. And its job is to kind of create this eversion. So if you imagine you're lying on your back and your feet naturally turn in, then what Fibularis is doing is helping you to turn out. And for some people, if you feel down the outside of your leg, it's part of the fibre structure that's going to wrap itself around the knee, and it's going to be part of sort of a continuation of the, I suppose, the iliotibial band, as best you could call it. But it's quite tender sometimes. You get that sort of runner's knee and it gets loaded, and people find, they say, oh, the outside of my knee hurts. It's actually not the knee, it's the bit where Fibularis comes up. So it's very, very long, and it's encased in all these incredible layers of connective tissue that hold it in place. And it's sliding. It's got a sliding mechanism as it comes around that outside of the lateral malleolus. It's very cool, and I'm interested in it. I'm not going to say, you know, that it does one thing or another that isn't listed in the books, but I'm interested in its sliding mechanism. I'm certainly interested in how it relates to you know, foot function and sprains and stability of the feet and the ankles. So Fibularis.